Well, it's been a busy start to the year. The whole month's flown by before I even noticed. I've been so busy doing other things, there hasn't been much in the way of aviary updates, I'm afraid. Sorry about that. What's up? What's up, Leos? Sitting up there with swims. So there's a few changes out here that I've just done. First, there's a large chunk of wood there. So I've put in it's a chunk of a stump of a part of a trunk of a macrocarpa tree which was growing elsewhere on the property that we cut down some time ago, and we needed to remove the stump for the door area, which you may or may not have watched the video of, for Straub's and Ella's aviary. So I put that in here for Swinny mostly, so that she's got something to sort of peck at and pull apart to get the bugs out of while it decays. As you can see, it's rotting away there quite nicely, so she'll have fun pulling that apart. It's quite soft. Now I've made a bit of a cuttle station here, just done it, doesn't look like anybody's touched it yet. So on each side of this post, on this center pillar here, I have attached, just drilled a hole and screwed on a piece of cardle. I haven't got around to putting extra earwig things on. It's very dry here at the moment, and the earwigs have all but dried up really. There's a few of them there, but not many. So I'm going to put another one of those on each side all the way around there and in the other aviaries, but I ain't done that yet. And I've also just put in one of my grass growing cover things. Got to water this all the damn time at the moment, and any rain for a little while. We're not going to get any rain for the next couple of weeks by the looks, the weather reports. And temperatures are ranging between about 27 and 30 degrees Celsius each day, so it's pretty warm for the birds. So I'm watering the ground, putting in a lot of grass at the moment as well, auxiliary weeds and things for Twisty here to get hold of. He's always telling me he wants it. Why are you looking in that one, Twist? I thought your babies were in the middle one. Because in the middle box here we have two turquoisine babies, which have been in there a while. I didn't want to say anything about it because every time I do I seem to jinx them and things happen. So, but they're in there now. They're starting to feather up. Hey, next one along, mate. Next one along. Next one along. You're on the wrong box. And baby quail, lots of baby quail. Before we look at them, I'll just show you these ones. So I've got 4 in here now, and see them at the back there. I'm hoping to get all of the ones from next door here into here eventually. It's just trying to get them in here without Tweety Pie and Sylvester getting in is the tricky thing. I opened it up trying to get them out a few days ago, and Swinny shot straight in there, so she spent half a day rummaging around in that aviary till I could get her back in this one. So yeah, babies in that one I'll show you in just a moment. We'll go back in time a little bit and you can see what they look like as babies. Oh, and we've got some cockatiels. 5 cockatiels as per usual. Yeah, 5 hot cockatiels by the looks. Okay, Poopy, you look hot. You look hot. Yeah, it's hot, isn't it? How you doing, Leos? Without further ado, let's go have a look at the baby quail. So I've taken out the babies that were in here because someone's got another batch. So she's got 5 there at the moment, but she might have some more shortly. So let's try a little experiment here. We took Sauvignon out, brought in some babies from next door and the mother from next door. I thought they were getting along, but now it looks like Blanc is rejecting them, or rejecting the mother, attacking the mother. It's okay as long as she's going to look after 9 babies by herself. If you're going to look after those, Blanc, I'll take the other one back out again. What do you reckon? Now it looks like she wants to talk to Sauvignon, who I've put next door. So trouble wasn't caused, but maybe I should bring him back and get rid of this other female. But hard to know. So we've been giving this little one a rest because she's getting too much attention from the boys. Now let's have a look at the babies. Now we are down to 7, but Blanc took after looking after the new babies from the other mother like they were hers, so that was fairly easy. And she pushed the other mother away, so we just let Blanc look after them. She is a good mother after all. So another 7 quail. What are we going to do with all the quail? Need to make a quailarium. You've been losing a lot of feathers, Yellow. Having a good molt, are you? Hello, Twist. I know, it's coming. Twisty's telling me he wants some grass. He's a very clever little Turk. First, we'll just drop something in here. Look at all those little babies. Oh, hello, Twists. Yeah, look, it's coming. It's coming. Twisty has babies at the moment, and that is the reason he's very keen on the grass. Where's your mate? Come on. Come on. That's it. Good boy. Get in quick before the Turks. Oh, you like those ones too? That's good. Glad I got some of those. Not a lot of your favourite though, the twisty grass there. Quickly grab that before the teals. As well as Twisty having little babies, something else a bit different in the Pheasantasiam today. That's
motorbike.
Not different. Yes, there's a motorbike in here today. So there is a quail. Look, another Turk down there. He's going to go and talk to him. I have to take you out a shot, Twisty, so that we can see the quail. Down in the back corner there, I've just released her in here. I'm just making sure that Swinny doesn't gobble her down. She's paid a little bit of interest, and I don't know if she's just acting all nonch while we're here. Hey, I want you eating the little quails. It'd be good if we could put them all in here with you. First we had the motorbike, now we've got the dogs, haven't we? It's the curse of the Pheasantasiam videos, isn't it, twins? Nice and quiet until I put the camera on. So, a little female silver quail in the background there. That Swinny is paying quite a lot of attention to, has been for the last quarter of an hour. If she doesn't eat them, it would be very good to put them out here so that they can get away from each other a bit more and we can keep breeding them and not have to get rid of them. Right, Swinny, where's your little friend? Morning, boys. There she is, I can see her. I can see her. You're doing running around there. Where'd you go? Well, Swinny has behaved herself. So I think we can let some of these guys in here too, see how that goes. Yeah? Didn't you like it in there? You went in there. Hmm? So while I was just trying to get out a quail, Joey flew in there. Kept trying to get in there and I kept stopping him. I didn't realise he'd gone in there. A good old squawk just then. So I've got 2 quail in here. 1 male, 1 female. What do you reckon, Swinny? You gonna be a good girl? I think we've gotten used to them, haven't we? Seen them running around next door for so long now, you're not interested in eating them, hopefully. We're going to go check out each new one though, don't you?